Replacing the E-caps on the Hitachi, and I made a mistake. Alright, what we can see here is cap number 1 has been replaced. This is it right here. Positive went here, and negative goes over here. And it's just like the old one was. And like I said, it takes up about the same amount of room. So I think it's that's going to work just fine. That moves a little bit, but that's okay. I don't think it's anywhere near touching anything else. And even if it's pushed, you push down on it, it's against that. There's black tape under there that the other one used to rest on. So I think it's going to work out just fine. Anyway, that's what I'm thinking. So that's, like I said, number 1. Now that was the only small 33 I had. Everything else is slightly bigger, but they're just bigger in voltage. They're not, obviously, they're all 33s. But so what I'm going to do is leave that one there because I wanted something that would just about match the old one in size. Now it's actually a little bit smaller, so that's even better. There's the old one. So that should be fine. And for the rest of them, I think they're all going to have to come out through the have to get the solder off on this side and replace them that way. So work on the next one is another 33, and the rest of them are 10s. So let me get to it. Alright, well, I'm back again. I it would not be complete unless I burnt the wire into the tuning wire, and which I did. So that'll have to be fixed. But I have the wiring diagram of the tuning, whatever, the wheel diagram. I've got that. And I'll have that be able to fix that. Also, something else I did. Well, I see I've got 1, 2, 3 of the caps, 3 of the 5 replaced so far. I think I'll go ahead and try it now because, you know, you never can tell if it's going to work or not. So you want to kind of try it out once in a while. And I think I'll do that right now. I'll just hook up the power real quick. Let's see, there's the other one. Yeah, we'll make sure I was at the right place. There we go. We have power. Whoop. Not sure what I did, but apparently I did something to turn it off. So it is still working.
Doesn't matter. Okay. The point is to be putting a substantial 16% or 14% is not going to.
So there you go. That's still working. I got 2 more caps to replace, and then I'll start looking at the tuning string diagram. See what's involved there. I think I'll probably use the what I used the last time, the dental floss. I've got plenty of that. I think that might work pretty good. We'll see. But we'll get that together and get that working, and hopefully I get these last 2 replaced with no problems, and we'll get back to it. So join you later. Alright, we're back once more. It is 10:34 now in the evening. This will be my last update for the evening. I have all of the capacitors changed. There are the old ones right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And those have all been changed out now, and I think it's going to work pretty good. Got plenty of volume now. I didn't have it before, but So that's a good sign. The audio was a little weak because of the capacitors. See if we can find some other stations here. Alright, well there it is. It's working fine now. Like I said, I do believe the audio is a little stronger as a result of this cap change. E-cap change, it is. The only catastrophe that I had was the tuning dial string. You know, I hate those. I hate doing those, but just like I said, I do have a diagram to go by. And I think this one is pretty straightforward. Let's take a look at the other side. Let me unconnect the batteries supply here so we don't short anything out. And we'll turn this around. And you can see what it does is goes around and around the where'd my pointy stick go? I'm always losing my pointy stick. It goes around the tuning dial or tuning capacitor. Here there's a rig gets wrapped around here 2 or 3 times and goes down to here and goes back like that. There's really not too much more to it. The dial of course has to be attached to it, the pointer I should say, but anyway, that's it's still attached. It's just, like I said, it's just a, I don't know where it broke at. I could probably look at it, but I don't think there's any fixing these after they're broke. So like I said, it's working there, but like I said, I'm pulling on it. There's no going back, it's just one way. But anyway, like I said, it's one of those things. You get a hot soldering iron and a little transistor radio like this. It's just almost impossible. These little black strings are just so hard to see. You know, I can't. I know I'm making excuses, but you know, give me a break. Like I said, I think it's it won't be that hard to fix, I hope. But anywho, this is going back together really nice. Like I said, it's all working again. Like I said, I'm happy about that. I still have some work I want to do to this battery clip. Like I said, it's not in there, it's just sticking in there. I want to take and bring these clips over as far as they'll go this way, which they will come over a little more. And like I said, I may try to trim this down just a hair and let it go in there just a hair more than it goes in, because like I said, it's just right there on the edge of it. You can see here's the battery where it's going to sit against. It might be close right there. I'm going to say that's going to be pretty close. So what I was looking at before was this is how far out this is, but this is all the way out to where the top, goes on it. So I don't know. Like I said, well, let me get this piece out of here. And like I said, that's just something I'll have to investigate a little more. But this part of it's going to be good, no matter what I try to do with that. And I'm happy with the way that turned out. So, all right, that's going to do that. Like I said, I've got the caps changed now, and other than restringing the dial string, I think that's all I had to do to this. There are some I was going to say some bad wires, but I think I've fixed about everything that needed fixing. And like I said, it's all, the only thing I have to do is hook up power to it, and it's going, it's running. So, you know, again, I might want to try to clean that power switch a little bit. And so what I was thinking about doing is put a piece, or getting a piece of, well, not hard cardboard, but something that, you know, I could stick in between that, where the power connects, the switch connects, the switch points, whatever you want to call them, and try to work that back and forth. Maybe put a little alcohol on it to boot, and try that. So rather than to use sandpaper, I thought about sandpaper, but that might be a little bit harsh on them. So anyway, let me get this done. Like I say, it's getting towards bedtime. Bob's already went to bed. You know Bob. He's not much of a night owl, which is all right. But he did a video tonight. He's, you know, let him sleep, I guess. So anywho, let me get off here. You guys have a wonderful evening. This won't be posted till Sunday night. Well, it'll be. I have one already for Sunday. It's up on YouTube. It's just scheduled for 6 o'clock, like I've been doing. I kind of like that feature. You know, it gives me some time to do some stuff that I want to do, and I know that I don't have to worry about posting a video, because it's up there ready to go. And sometime tomorrow I'll probably post this one, and that way I'll have you know, all the way up till Monday. You know, let's say this one will be Monday actually, because I have one for tomorrow. Yeah, this will be Mondays, so I'm way ahead of the game. Not that I'm trying to run some kind of operation here and like that. It's just I kind of got in the mood to play with the video editor, Caden Live, and as I did, I was making too many videos, and I thought, well, you know, I don't want to post all that many videos, so I've got 2 or 3 other ones that like I said, that deal where I did another Never a Dull Moment, and it's I haven't actually edited it yet, but it was, you know, I was going to put that up. I might make an extra one once in a while, but don't try to keep sticking to one a day if possible. I think it works out better. So you guys have a pleasant evening. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you.